Well, you can see behind me, I hired a well company to pull the well pump out. We stopped getting water in the last couple of days. I want to tell you about wells. They're expensive. Once the well is in, it runs, it's hunky-dory, no water bills. But when the well pump goes out, I'm facing a $4,500 water bill. That's a lot of monthly payments to city water. But the nice thing is my water is healthy and it's just part of living. And wells are so essential. This is a deep well. The Bible wants us to build a deep well to the presence of the Lord. How deep is your well running, or is it going to go dry? You can sense when you're going dry because you lose your zest, you lose your step, and you feel like you're running on empty. And there's a lot of things that can contribute to that. It could be a matter of just exhaustion, a matter of life, and all the pressures that are being thrown at you. Of course, I went through burnout, so I know that feeling. I know the emotional drain when our well starts to go dry. But Jesus promises us that He'll give us rivers of living water that will flow out of us. So we don't feel it sometimes. Like, Lord, where is that water? We sure feel pretty slighted. It's like the drinking fountain. You go to turn it on and no water comes out. And that's sort of like we feel at times. We're just dragging. Well, the hope is that we stay the course, trust the Lord in lean times when your well seems to go dry. Abraham went from well to well, and the Lord showed me a principle years ago. When the well grows dry, the Lord is trying to tell us something. So when you're feeling lean and something's just not right and you're thirsty and it doesn't seem like you have bounce in your step, you've got to go to the Lord and go, Lord, what is it in my life that's impeding the flow of water? It's not from God's perspective, it's always from ours. Something is in the way. The man just showed me behind. What happened is my well, inside of it after 14 years, he said, yours lasted a long time. They normally go like 7 to 10 years. So he said, you're fortunate that your well pump has lasted this long. But he showed me a little white, it looked like a ball bearing that separated from within inside the pump, shot up to where the water comes out and blocked the flow of water and burned the pump out. He says that happens all the time. It's inevitable. Something blocks the flow of the water and burns the pump out. Something interior within the pump disintegrates, breaks, and blocks the flow. Usually things that are within us. Jesus said from within us comes the problems and the issues of life. And something is just not right. You're either cheating, you're lying, you're doing something wrong, you think you're getting away with it, you're still drinking water, but one day you just go lean and the well goes dry. So analyze that. That's God's mercy to tell you, I want to put a new pump in your life. I want water to flow freely so that from you do come these rivers of living water and bring hope to a dying and thirsty world. People all around us are dying of thirst. They just don't know it. And Jesus wants to come and give them a refreshing drink of water. Money is not the option. I'm trusting God. He will provide. He just does that. Where God guides, He provides. But the spiritual implication is so much deeper. It's worth paying this money so that I can talk to you about this issue. I want to have you think, where are you and how rich is your water source? Is there something impeding that flow? Go to Jesus, pray, and say things like, Father, in the name of Jesus, I am sorry. I feel thirsty. I'm a pilgrim in a weary land, and I'm just dying of spiritual thirst. I need you to fill the reservoir. Come into my life. If I put something there, reveal to me what it is that's blocking that flow, that I can root it out of my life and receive the river of living water that you promised me through Jesus Christ. I am so thankful that I can come to you as a child, believing by faith you will provide the way, the truth, and the life for me to live a vibrant, rich, thirstless Christian life. I leave you with this word to pause and ponder.